Welcome to the UNO 2010 demonstration video. This short video will tell you all about how you can use UNO 2010 to manage the energy strategy for your housing stock. UNO can do this because it's an energy database that stores energy-relevant characteristics for every property in your stock and then uses them to calculate energy parameters such as SAP, CO2 emissions, running costs, and many others. The level of data that can be used by UNO to calculate results can be as little as the old level 0 data or as much as full RD SAP data. What you're looking at right now is UNO's main screen where all the properties in the database are listed. To see how UNO could help you out, let's get started by looking at what kinds of data UNO uses. To access the data held for a single property, you double-click on the address of the property you're interested in. This takes you to the individual property screen from where you can look at and edit all the data stored for a single property. The left-hand side displays a summary of all the important data for a property, including the energy results here, whilst the right-hand side displays all the data. The data is split into tabs in order to allow you to quickly find the data that you are interested in. The first tab is called Primary Data, and this displays the most important data for the property. Any of this data can be edited by clicking on the controls and either choosing an option from the drop-down menu or typing in a value. See how as the age band of the property is changed here, the results are automatically recalculated and updated in real time, allowing you to see how your changes affect the results. Many different types of energy data can be stored for a single property, ranging from broad characteristics such as the basic structure of the property, where you can change items such as what detachment it has, right down to little details such as what U-value the walls have. The Results tab here will show you a detailed breakdown of the energy results for that property, including both SAP results and the more comprehensive UNO results. The Data Messages tab shows you what assumptions the calculation engine makes in order to produce results, and will also flag up any errors there might be with the data, giving you instant feedback on the data quality. Navigating between property records is made very simple by using the forward and back buttons here, allowing you to move between and compare records. Finding a single property or group of properties that you're interested in is a painless task, thanks to UNO 2010's powerful filtering tool. UNO's filtering system allows you to find quickly the records which you are interested in. Multiple filters can be successively applied by choosing which fields to filter on from the drop-down list here. The fields which can be filtered on include addresses, energy data such as heating fuel and the age of the dwelling, any of the 100 user-definable fields, and also from any events that have been set up. So if you wish to look at all of the houses in Burton North Ward with a SAP less than 50, then first you select SAP from the drop-down menu. This is a numeric field, so you can then choose whether to find values which are less than, equal to, or greater than the specified value. Next select Property Type and House from the menus. Note how the number at the bottom of the screen changes as you add different filters. This will tell you how many records you have found. Finally, select Ward Name from the drop-down menu, and this will find the properties you wish to look at. If you go back to the main screen, you will see this list of properties. UNO makes updating your energy data a simple task by having a dedicated improvements tool. Accessed from the main screen, this tool allows you to specify an improvement from this menu here and a group of properties in this box here. By filling out the rest of the data, such as the body responsible for the improvement, UNO will then update the data for the properties and recalculate the results. Each improvement is logged as an event against each property, which can then be filtered on, allowing you to easily track what improvements have been made and when. There may be times when you wish to update records in one batch rather than doing it individually for each record, and you can easily do this by using UNO 2010's Import and Export system. This allows you to export a selection of records to an Excel spreadsheet, edit the values on the spreadsheet, and then re-import that spreadsheet, thus updating the database. UNO 2010 can also be used to analyze your stock's energy performance using the report screen. Here the main energy results are collated into a series of bar charts so that you can see at a glance your housing stock's energy profiles. Not just your stock either, as the reports tool will analyze anything in the current filter, allowing more detailed analysis by breaking it down into whatever criteria you specify. The report screen will also show you the major statistics of the stock, allowing a breakdown of data such as the different ages of the properties. All of the results on the report screen can be exported and then used in spreadsheets to construct graphs and tables for any reporting requirements that you may have. UNO 2010 has been designed to provide you with all the tools you need to manage and report on your housing stock's energy data. Everything just described merely scratches the surface when it comes to all of UNO's functions. We are updating it continually with improvements and new ideas to keep pace with new developments such as the Green Deal. If you're interested in learning more about UNO 2010 and what it can do for you, please browse the rest of the website. Give us a call or email us and we'll be happy to answer your questions.